To identify the domain, you have to look at what is not allowed. You're looking for the restrictions. So for square root function like a, the restriction is you're not allowed to have a negative in the square root, in the radicand. So the radicand, 20 minus 4x, is not allowed to be negative. It has to be greater than or equal to 0. So you solve that. Move the 20, you get negative 4x is greater than or equal to negative 20. Divide by a negative, so you have to flip the inequality. And x is less than or equal to 5. So to write it as an interval, less than or equal to 5 means 5 is the largest. Since it's or equal to, it gets a bracket. And then negative infinity is the smallest because it can be less than. For b, the restriction is you cannot divide by 0. So 2x minus 1 cannot equal 0. That's our restriction. Then you solve it. Move the 1, you get 2x cannot equal 1. So x cannot equal 1/2. Since that's the restriction, x cannot equal 1/2. It's everything but 1/2. Everything but 1/2. So it's negative infinity to 1/2 and 1/2 to infinity. For c, x squared minus 3x plus 5. There's no restrictions there. So the domain is negative infinity to positive infinity. The only things that have restrictions at this point that we're looking at, cannot divide by 0, can't do square roots and negatives. No restriction for that. And D, we got division. We cannot divide by 0, so our restriction is that the denominator cannot be 0. So 2x cannot equal negative 14. So x cannot equal negative 7. So it's everything but negative 7. So it's negative infinity to negative 7 and negative 7 to infinity.